Let's go to page 10 and start with number 1. So this one, you want to convert the revolution into degrees. So whenever you're going to convert into degrees, you just multiply by, if you're going to convert into degrees, you put degrees on the top. So you got 360 degrees for one revolution. Okay, and this is 1/2 revolution. So the revolution will cancel out, and so this is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. And do the same thing, so for 1/6 revolution, you times it by 360 degrees per one revolution. So revolution cancel out, so you get 60 degrees. And 3/8 revolution times by 360 degrees for one revolution. So this will cancel out. And you can use your calculator to figure out this number over here. Okay, so 3 times 360 divided by 8 equal, so this is equal to 135 degrees. And the last one, 7/12 revolution. Again, you times by 360 degrees over one revolution. So notice that the label will cancel out accordingly. Okay, so this will equal to 210 degrees. Okay. Okay, next one, number 5. 50 degrees, and you want to tell what kind of angle is this. So this is less than 90, so this is acute angle. Okay, and then number 9, 135 degrees. So this is greater than 90, so this is obtuse. Okay, next one, let's go to 17. Okay, you have 11 degrees, 8 minutes, 5 seconds, and you want to convert into decimal degrees into 3 decimal places. So again, because now you're allowed to use calculator, so you can do this much quicker. Okay, so when you enter this, you enter 11 point, you have to enter 0.8, and you have to enter 0.5, okay? And you have to convert into decimal degrees first, so it goes second decimal degrees. And so this will equal to 11 point, and again, 3 decimal places, and double check. So it'd be 135. Okay, and then next one is number 21. Okay, you have 15.125 degrees, and you want to convert into DMS. Okay, so you can just enter 15.125, and you just go second. Again, on your calculator you have the function that can convert. Okay, and so this will give you 15 degrees. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 25. Yeah, 159.639 degrees. Okay, so again, you enter 159.639, and you go second, and you go DMS. So you get 159 degrees, 38 minutes, and 20 seconds. Okay. So just make sure you know how to use calculator. Okay, 29. Okay, you have alpha equal to 47 degrees, 23 minutes, and 31 seconds. and beta equal to 47.386 degrees. Okay, so basically you want to compare the two to see which is bigger. Okay, so you have to convert one to the other so you can compare. So I'm gonna convert this into decimal degrees. Okay, so I get 47.2331 and go second decimal degrees. So this is equal to 47.3919 degrees. So by comparing, this is 0.39, this is 0.38, so this is bigger. So in this case, alpha is bigger, so alpha is going to be greater than beta. Okay. So you can just convert so you can compare. Okay, 33. Okay, you have alpha equal to 20.512 degrees. You have beta equal to 20 degrees, 30 minutes, and 50 seconds. Okay. Okay, again, you can convert from either way. You can convert one to the other. Okay, this one we convert into decimal degrees, so I'm just kind of trying to show different variations. I'm going to just convert this into DMS. Okay. Again, you can do it either way. You can convert this into that or this into that. So I'm going to do either. I'm going to do the other way. Okay, so 20.512 and convert that into DMS. So this one will equal to 20 degrees, 30 minutes, 42 seconds. So by comparing, this is 50 seconds, this is 42 seconds. So this is bigger. So in this case, beta is greater than alpha. And so they want you to write the alpha first. So alpha is less than beta. Okay. So beta is bigger. Okay, so alpha is smaller. Okay, number 37. Okay, so this one you just want to subtract. So you have 90 degrees minus 67 degrees, 37 degrees, 29 seconds. Okay. So again, you can just go ahead and so this one you probably want to go backward because it depends on your calculator. So for the TI, this one is kind of, you cannot enter this directly, so I'm going to go backward. Okay. So I'm going to go 67.3729 and I'm going to convert into decimal degree. Then I'm going to convert back into DMS. Okay. Okay. So make sure I have that. And I'm going backwards. So now I have this number, right? So now I'm going to put a negative in front. Okay? So I get that. Then I'm going to plus 90. Okay, equal. So now I end up with that. So I'm going to convert back into DMS again. Okay. So I get 22 degrees, 22 minutes, and 31 seconds. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 41. Okay, so this one giving S equal to 25 kilometers, theta equal to 20 degrees, and C equal to question mark. Okay, so the C is a circumference. Okay, so first, whenever you're looking for that, you write down your formula first. So C equal to 2 pi r. Okay. And you don't know much of this, so you need to, since the S is given, you can use that one. So S equal to 2 pi r, that's the entire circle, times it by the fraction of it. So it'd be theta over 360. Okay. Okay, so now, so notice, so you don't want to look for this individual. So here's your C right over here. That's your C. So that's going to substitute stuff in here. Okay. So S is 25 and 2 pi r is C times theta is 20 degrees over 360 degrees. Okay? Okay, so now to solve for C, you have to get rid of that. To get rid of that, you have to multiply by reciprocal. So you go ahead and multiply by 360 over 20. Okay, so multiply by 360 over 20, so that this will cancel out, this will cancel out. So you get C equal to, again, you can use your calculator. So you get 360 divided by 20 times by 25 equal 450. And don't forget your label is kilometers. Okay? Okay, number 45. Okay, you have theta equal to 12 degrees, 31 minutes, 4 seconds. S equal to 50.2 centimeters. You're looking for C equal to question mark. And you want to run it off to nearest 10 centimeters. Okay? Okay. So this is similar to that. So we can use the same method. Okay, so S equal to 2 pi r, that's a whole circle, times theta over 360 degrees. Okay, and again, C is a circumference, that is this over here, that's a C. Okay, so that's going to substitute, so you got 50.2 equal to C times 12 degrees 31 minute 4 seconds over 360 degrees. Okay, so that's going to just move things around. Okay, so C equal to, so you times by reciprocal, right? So you're going to get 360 over 12 degrees, 31 minute, 4 seconds, and times by 50.2. Okay? Okay. So again, you got to know how to use your calculator. So because the way these things is, I need to, because my calculator is kind of very primitive, so I have to enter this first. So I'm going to go 12.31. Now it's a 4 seconds, so I have to enter 0.4. Okay, so every two digits for the minutes and 2 digits for second. Now so this is the DMS, so I have to convert to DD first. Okay. So now this is on the bottom, so I'm going to flip it over. So use 1 over x to flip it over. Then I need to times it by 360, times it by 50.2 equal. So C will equal to kind of big, so it'd be 144, and let's see, run it off to nearest 10. Okay, so nearest 10. So 144.3. So that would be gone. Okay, again, nearest 10. Okay, so 3 get chopped off. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 49. You have R equal to 12.6 meters. Area equal to 98.4 meters squared. And theta equal to question mark and 1 decimal place. Okay, so this is the sector. So area of a sector equal to pi r squared. There's a whole circle times by the fraction of what you need. Okay. Okay. So now that's going to substitute everything in here. So you got 98.4 equal to pi times 12.6 squared times by theta over 360 degrees. Okay. So again, let's go and move things around. So to get rid of that, I need to multiply by 360. So that this cancels out with that. And then I'm going to move this over, so I need to divide by pi r squared. Divide by pi r squared, so that this will cancel out, this cancel out, right? So theta equal to this number over here. Okay, so now you have to be careful with this. Okay, everything on the bottom you have to push. You have to push the division button on the calculator. So you're going to go 360 times it by 98.4. Okay, I'm going to push equal first. Then I'm going to divide by pi. Then again, you have to divide by 12.6 square. Push equal. Okay, so theta will equal to, and this one you want to get it to a nearest to a 1 decimal place. So it'd be 71.0 degree. Okay. Get it a bit too sloppy. Okay. Anyway, so 71.0 degrees. Okay. It's not working. Okay. Anyway. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 53. Okay, so same thing, you deal with a sector. So you got theta equal to 119.7 degrees. R equal to 5.49 millimeters. And looking for S to 1 decimal place. Okay. Okay, so again, S equal to 2 pi R. So that's the circumference of the entire circle times by the fraction that you want over 360. Okay, so you got theta over 360. So S equal to 2 pi R times 119.7 degree over 360 degrees. Okay, so now just enter in the calculator. Okay, so 2 times pi times by 5.49 times by 119.7 divided by 360 equal to, so S equal to, and hold on, this, okay, 1 decimal place. Okay, 1 decimal place would be 11.5 millimeters.